Ever heard of a creature that's part cat, part squirrel, and entirely fascinating? It's the pine marten. This small but agile predator makes its home in old-growth forests across the northern hemisphere. Pine martens are a marvel of nature, possessing slender bodies that echo the supple grace of a cat, combined with the bushy tails and nimble fingers reminiscent of a squirrel. Their dark brown fur camouflages them perfectly against the tree bark, making them masters of stealth. One of the most captivating traits of these creatures is their tree-dwelling lifestyle. They navigate the high canopies with a dancer's precision, their adept climbing skills making them virtually unrivaled in their woodland homes. Imagine a creature that can leap from branch to branch with the effortless ease of an acrobat, all while being the size of a typical house cat. Despite their small size, pine martens are quite the acrobats of the forest, leaping from branch to branch with ease. Picture the life of a pine marten, a typical day filled with hunting, playing, and evading predators. As dawn breaks, the pine marten embarks on its daily hunting routine. This agile creature, equipped with sharp claws and teeth, is a skillful hunter. The forest comes alive with the rustle of leaves and the flutter of wings as it darts among the trees, its eyes keenly attuned to the slightest movements. The pine marten's diet is varied, ranging from small mammals to birds. To catch its prey, it employs a combination of stealth, speed, and precision. One swift leap, a flurry of activity, and it secures its meal. But the pine marten is not just a hunter, it is also a playful creature, full of energy and curiosity. The forest becomes its playground, the trees its jungle gym. It engages in playful fights and chase games with other pine martens, their bodies intertwining, tumbling over one another in a flurry of fur and claws. These playful bouts are not just for fun. They also serve as a way for pine martens to hone their skills and establish social bonds. Yet, life in the forest is not all play and games. The pine marten must also be alert for danger. Larger predators such as owls and eagles pose a significant threat. With its keen senses and nimble body, the pine marten is a master of evasion. It can quickly scale a tree trunk to escape an approaching predator or dart into a hollow log for safety. As the day draws to a close, the pine marten's energy starts to wane. It's been a day filled with hunting, playing, and evading. The forest starts to settle into a peaceful quiet, and so does our pine marten. It retreats to its den in the trees, a cozy nook high up in the branches, away from the dangers of the forest floor. As the sun sets, our pine marten retreats to its den in the trees, ready to do it all over again the next day. You might wonder, why should we care about this little-known creature? Well, here's the thing. Pine martens, though small, play an enormous role in the ecological balance of the forests they call home. By keeping a check on rodent populations, these agile creatures help ensure a stable and diverse ecosystem. Imagine a forest overrun by rodents, eating away at the seeds and sprouts, leaving little chance for new trees to grow. Now picture a pine marten, stealthily keeping this scenario from becoming a reality. But their significance goes beyond pest control. Their presence is often a sign of a healthy, mature forest. Why, you ask? Well, pine martens prefer old-growth forests, abundant in food and shelter. So when you spot a pine marten, it's likely you're in a forest that's thriving. So next time you're in a forest, keep an eye out for the elusive pine marten, a small creature with a big role in our planet's health.